Think math.
Draw any triangle you like. A lopsided one is fine. Could that tile a floor with no gaps at all? It can, because the three angles of a triangle always add to 180 degrees. Make a copy, flip it over, and join the two. Together, they form a parallelogram. A parallelogram tiles a surface by sliding alone. Slide it sideways and downwards, and no gap ever opens up. Count the angles meeting at any corner point. Two copies of all three angles, so 180 twice over, exactly 360, so nothing is left open. The gapless fit is not luck. It follows from three angles, always making half a turn. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.